Did you know octopus blood is blue, not red? Octopus blood is blue because it contains hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that binds oxygen. This adaptation is crucial for surviving in deep, cold, low-oxygen environments. Unlike humans, whose blood uses iron-based hemoglobin and turns red, octopus blood allows them to maintain efficient oxygen transport in extreme conditions. Their three hearts, two pumping blood to the gills and one to the rest of the body, further enhance their circulatory efficiency, making them perfectly suited to their underwater habitats. This unique physiology is key to their survival and resilience.